For this activity, you will need paper towels or rags for cleanup, paper plates, plastic straws, a section of a banana, toothpicks, jam, a scissors or a knife, sour candy or licorice candy cut into 1-inch pieces, or pretzel sticks for younger students. Also, use gummy worms candy, sugar sprinkles, round crackers and oyster crackers, and a coral polyp handout. In this activity, the polyp can be made by each student. You will need to increase the amount of each item depending on how many students you have. Ask the students, how many of you think coral is a plant? How many of you think coral is an animal? Corals are animals. Go over some of the big differences between plants and animals. Show students the coral polyp overhead transparency or printed copy and discuss all of the labeled parts: tentacles, mouth, gut, skeleton, and zooxanthellae. The illustration shows the basic components of coral polyps. Although the skeleton sits underneath the polyp in this illustration, the skeleton is actually outside the polyp itself, and the polyp can contract and retract inside the calcium carbonate skeleton for protection. Tell students they are going to do a very cool activity, making an edible coral polyp. Put the slice of banana on a paper plate. Then make a hole, the mouth, in the top half of the banana with a straw. Be careful not to go all the way through the banana, as coral polyps have 1 hole, not 2. Next, create 6 holes with a toothpick surrounding the central mouth. Then poke 6 candy straws, or Twizzlers, or gummy worms, which will be sliced and they will play the role of tentacles, into the holes. Then add sprinkles to the banana. These will be the zooxanthellae. Add a round cracker and jam to the base of a banana. The coral is attached to the substrate. Add oyster crackers around the base, which is the calcium carbonate skeleton. Students then place individual coral polyps together to form a colony. Now, eat your polyp!